I'm going to show you how to fix where winds meet issue, so make sure to follow my methods. For the first one, you should go to the Windows taskbar, click on this upside arrow. If you do find the Steam icon appearing like this, right click on it and select Exit Steam. Next, go to the Windows taskbar again, right click on any empty space and select Task Manager. This window will pop up, so go to the search and type in Steam. Ensure that you don't have the process running in the background. If you do find it, right click on it and select End Task again. Now all you have to do is to deselect the search. After that, you need to expand the window until you find the CPU and memory. So in order to prevent any issue happening, you need to ensure that you have both of them under 100%. To do that, you need to scroll through all of these processes and just terminate any unwanted or useless process you find. Next, go to the search and type in Device Manager. Open this application right here. You will find this window popping up. So go to Display Adapters, click on this side arrow, and then make sure to select your graphics card, right click on it and select Update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers and click on close. Next, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Select this NVIDIA app appearing. If you can't find it displaying for some reason, you just need to go to their official website and download it from that. After that, you need to go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay like this. Now go to drivers icon in the left menu and make sure to select the download button in order to update your graphics card driver. Next, go to the Windows icon. After that, look for settings. From here, you'll be redirected to the home. So once done, go to Windows Update. You need to ensure you already downloaded and installed all the latest updates to avoid any error happening after all. Even if you do have stack updates, go to update history, deselect the first two options, scroll down, select uninstall updates if you are sure what update makes the issue, otherwise click on recovery, select the first option, after that select other troubleshooters, select run in part of Windows Update and see if it works, otherwise go back and select reinstall now. Next, you need to relaunch the Steam once again, so do that. Once done, go to the top left corner and select the Steam logo. You can check for Steam client updates if you do have the newest version or not. After that, select settings, go to in-game and make sure to switch off the Steam overlay. Now go to storage, select the right drive. After that, go to these three dots and select repair library. Now go to downloads, scroll down. You can see the clear download cache. Click on clear cache. After that, click on confirm. Next, go to the view option. After that, go to library. Here you will find your library of games. So go to the search and type where winds meet. You will find it right here. You need to select it. So to do this method, you need to ensure that you have already installed this game. I don't have it installed, so I'm going to show you using this one. For example, click on this gear icon. After that, go to properties, now go to installed files and make sure to select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish till the end in order to recover any missing or corrupted file. Will be fixed automatically without the need to download the game from the start. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and see you on the next one.